Hi, today we will be discussing t-test. The t-test is any statistical hypothesis test in which the test statistics follows student t-distribution under the null hypothesis. A t-test is a statistic that checks if two means are reliably different from each other. The t-test finds out if a significant difference exists between two groups of data. The t-statistic was introduced in 1908 by William Seeley-Gottschalk. Always remember to define null and alternative hypothesis, state the alpha, calculate degrees of freedom, state decision rules, calculate test and statistics, state the results, and finally, say the conclusion. T-tests are commonly done when the population standard deviation is unknown. We use the t-distribution because the unknown population standard deviation is now a value we must estimate. An example of a type of research that would require a t-test would involve a medical study in which data would be collected to chart the positive and negative effects of a medication on its participants. Most test statistics have the form T equals Z over S, where Z and S are functions. Z may be sensitive to the alternative hypothesis, whereas S is a scaling parameter that allows the distribution of T to be determined. One sample t-tests are used in the following two situations. The size of a sample is less than 25, or the population standard deviation is unknown. Next, two-sample t-test tests whether two groups have the same mean. And last, dependent t-tests for pairs samples are tests used when samples are dependent. That is, when there is only one sample that has been tested twice.